Hi, in today's video, we're going to clean a toilet with Norwex. The products I'm going to use in today's video are an Envirocloth, the Ergonomic toilet brush, and some bathroom cleaner, only a couple drops. The testing swabs I'm going to use are the same testing swabs used by several health departments and the Environmental Protection Agency, and they're used to check the surface for cleanliness. They do check for proteins. Proteins are 100 times smaller than viruses and bacteria. They're also the food source for bacteria. They're rapid testing swabs. So green is clean and purple is dirty. Purple is a sign of protein. So protein, we want to make sure that we don't have any proteins on our surfaces. So let's see what we got here. I can tell you just by looking, we have a very dirty toilet. So we will give this a minute. Set that there. All right, now what I'm going to do, trying to prop that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Envirocloth, and I don't want to put my Envirocloth in the water. I'll use my Ergonomic toilet brush in the water itself. So we're starting to turn a little bit. So we're definitely not green. So we're kind of, so far we're about right there. So I'm going to just set that on the back of the toilet. I'll keep my clean one back there too. So with the Envirocloth is what I'm going to start with. So I'm going to use a flat side. First get the flat surfaces. What I typically do is put a couple drops of the bathroom cleaner down inside the toilet. Bathroom cleaner is highly concentrated, so to use it, I would just put a couple drops in the toilet if you're going to be using your toilet brush. And if you're going to use this as a spray, you want to put it in a spray bottle of water, and you want to dilute it like a 1 ounce of bathroom cleaner to 7 ounces of water. So for toilet cleaning, just put a couple drops and that'll be fine. So I'm just going to go around the toilet with the Envirocloth because the Envirocloth does a great job cleaning it up. Get the seat, down in any cracks. Don't know what went on here. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go too far down. Just want to get the rim here. And this is when I'm going to get the outside of the bowl. Okay. I'm going to check my swab. There's my swab. It is purple. And now I'm going to go inside of the bowl with the toilet bowl brush. Now the great thing about the toilet bowl brush is it's freestanding, so it does not collect any water on the inside of here. It does have backlock, so it resists bacterial growth. Also has this nice lip, so it's going to get up under the rim. And these flexible bristles, they're pretty firm, but they're still flexible to get a nice good clean. Also rinses clean with water, and I just love that it doesn't get stinky because it does have the backlock in it. So let's just give this a nice whirl in here. And remember, we do have our bathroom cleaner in here, so that's definitely helping us out. Getting under the rim. Okay. wasn't too bad, I'm going to rinse it and rinse the brush. And now I'm going to check the toilet and just see if we have purple or if we have green. How well our Envirocloth did. Feels like we're doing pretty good. So the Envirocloth, and just we did about 4 drops of the bathroom cleaner, so that's pretty good. We have a nice clean. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I didn't have to get on my hands and knees, so I'm very happy with that. Have a great night.